Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeously restored 1969 Chevelle SS. It's finished in butternut yellow. Disc brakes up front. They're cross-drilled and slotted. You can see the extended studs there as well. This car is new all the way around. In fact, those back tires are actually going to be brand new. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Very correct restoration with the wide ovals. Tips coming through. The exhaust is a X-pipe. Full-length headers. It's got a 502 horse with fast fuel. Everything is new. Emblems, door handles, bumpers. The fit and finish on this car is phenomenal. Panel alignment gaps are second to none. Original floors too. It's sitting on American racing wheels with Mickey Thompsons all the way around. Interior is new as well. Custom stereo system. Console with horseshoe shifter. You can see it's got brand new weather stripping all the way around. Gorgeous. Right down to the lock knob. Brand new. All new felts inside the doors. Full gauge pack. Rear under there. Full dual exhaust with an X-pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. Power steering, power brakes. Again, 502 freight motor, like brand new. Electronic ignition, fast fuel injection, full-length headers, power steering, power brakes, serpentine system, or some people call it a front runner setup. Nice big aluminum radiator. This car is new. Beautiful. Complete cold start too, so it's starting to warm up a little bit. Well, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.